gonna see. It's not about being bitter for true. Hell no. It's about this is reality. This has not and me I call bitter. Cause it's like when I forgot say this me want. Everything will happen now I it me been want. But can you blame me for not asking these questions? I have to know when my baby I go sleep. My baby I go down there. 2 cribs supposed to be down there. One day for the other one. You need to buy a next one. Where Ice is going to sleep, I need to know. There is 2 rooms. A 2 room we have, or we have 1 room. Alright, 1 secure for sleep, where the other one I go sleep. 1 a film high chair, where the next one high chair. Because I don't think it's right for me to take my things and my internet buy for me. Carry go down there. You crazy? I'm not supposed to take nothing out of my house car down there. So, make sure say everything there for him and them have to prove it to the court. Yeah. And there's a try to find things for the CPS, but 2 of me smart. Me didn't give him nothing to talk about because I never did a fighting back or this him or no. I just did it on my phone and say, "Allow me alone" or whatever. And them escort you for leave. You text on my phone and ball for see baby. Me didn't give him 1 chance to come back when he come at me yard. No chance that. I could have tell him, say, "Don't come at my block not yard, go on a court." And me invite you same way at me yard to come see Pitney. And when you come at me yard, you still try fight me off again. You still try fight me off. You did have the knife I cut up weed. Me say I'm not good to talk. Me attorney say me not to post nothing. And me I wait till court done because me have them. You have a knife I cut up weed. And when time me take up ice. You take up ice and you want to give me ice. And me I walk off for you for ice. You turn around and start video me make it look like a chop me want to chop you up. The time you done call CPS already, you know. You done call CPS, you know. And for sure you all the Bible, God strong. God make you all confess it. The same night when me call the police them for escort you out. You say, yeah, you remember that CPS lady that come to you at the come to you after you give birth? I'ma call her back again. It was me. And the whole time I think a lady P. And you confess that front up. And when you look, you call the woman and the woman come again. And say you call them and say case closed. Because you tell them say me unfit, me no live nowhere. Every time the people them come at me yard, my place always clean. Vani, shut up, moderator, block that person if you don't want your leave. My place always clean and the things them. So all me not give nobody no chance for being at them Pitney life when every time I give you a chance, all you ever do is just come for try video me if you have some evidence for carry go court. You don't see that? You know blood clots say every time I carry the dog shit round me, he just come for video me. Come for video me. Him and the woman plan. Cause why every time alright? Me share how him and the woman plan. You live with the man and the man I tell you say you is the one. And nobody can sit down cause me a chat, me not call the name. So nobody listen to me know my rights. Me not call nobody name, so me free me up on my platform. Just like how she post me up brawling what day yeah. I mean, I see no blood clot post it. So what a way she post Vani, but if Vani did post she would have all up on social media. Because I don't want to have it as proof to me post her. When she post me, I see no vlogger page put it back out there. So what a way she post Vani. But if I did post it now, the whole I want to post it up for have proof say yeah me post it. So allow me alone with me talk and me not trouble me not call no name. You think me I hear that? But me I say him and the people them plan for me. Why every time when you come down on my yard, me and that the girl have in an argument? Besides, if that bitch never called my phone in the first place, none of this would have started. She never, the first thing, oh, you get my number. So let's all, when you don't want to talk about how this all started and Vanya trouble her, let's try to go back down how it all started. And the girl provoke me. Me never blood clot, call for your phone. Me not search man phone for call for your phone. And the fact that the man reach home, you argue with the man about anything where did go on live. You never have to call my phone, but you did that, you look trouble. And when the trouble get heated now, everybody wants to say, oh, Vani did wrong. The bitch should have called me in her first place. She should have waited till our man reached down. She talk to her man about why our man did say certain things about me. And then now, the people them are going to say, because me I talk about her Pitney, make she post my picture. Enough time the girl chose shades. Enough time, and I say me a copy her. With what? With what? Because the same clothes when me buy for Ice, and Ice in a them all long, how much months ago, days ago, I same clothes them I see on the picnic. I mean, I see nobody a post them, even though clothes is clothes, but I mean, I see nobody a post. I say Ice have them the long time, but as soon as them realize it's the same thing, them post to make it look like say, and me I watch them, and I follow them, and I buy things for Ice. Why would I even want to know where you're pretty enough of Ice in? Number one. Number one. Me not see no post that. Majority of these things where the two of them go look on Ice page. Ice been of them long time. And that's why every time I shot my post, because I say people are copycat people for what reason, I don't know. For what reason, I don't know. And let me show you how I stay. I see me there live. I want to come on my life. I want to start some topic. And when I answer back, I want get up and post it like say me a trouble people. And like say, I want to make it look like me a trouble people. Because when she did post me say why her pitney was the topic. Why the fuck your dirty followers them were like you bring your pitney name in a family topic? Who is you if you tell me say me can't talk about anybody anytime? Because they bring it up on my life. If it's for me not chat boy yo. If it's up to me alone, me not chat boy yo. Me not see you. At the comment section, them comment and me I talk back to the comments. And when me I reply back to the comments, them screen record me and put it up to make it look like me basically just keep on and talk about them. Uno na sister every time me now meds them try to do something for my meds them. And when me answer, them put it up and make it look like me bothered by them. Uno na see it. If uno na see it, something wrong with uno. Uno na sister. When the eyes not upon them, they make some posts together and them do some things just to be seen. Coming now meds them realize that nothing what them do again can't really all me out. Coming now look me in my own little world, let me look at man problem them. So when they realize that they can't get my attention, they keep on posting to get the vloggers' attention. And when the vloggers then start posting now, hey boy, sit down and around for me. How you get attitude? Sit. Don't give your mother an attitude. I have one bad attitude, you know. Oh. You're too old now. Cannot change your clothes or you jump up and down. You leave that attitude, you know. Because that's how you start from a younger age. Nobody can talk to you now. You hear I tell you? When I change in your baby self. Alright. I don't know. But you have to be yourself with you, man. Just so you give me some attitude that fling up in yourself. Come, go on down. Because you can't walk, but you love it growing. And the growing in my ball. But yeah. Can't wait to go up on and me I try to change him. So 3-1 go down and me now make him go down. He might fight me off. What you just said? You better say mommy to you, say mommy. And daddy the boy ball out. You deaf? Unless me deaf. Me know when me hear when you say a while ago. You know hear? And that team ball out a while ago. Give me this. Come out of my face. Ice. Just go on about your business. You hear me, I want you? In shirt back way. Where? Man, me can't bother you. Make it on. I make me. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Mommy. Mommy. Watch out. Watch out, watch out. Are we at the back flick? A back flick, yeah, a back flick. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Don't let me do. Boy, get up and walk. Walk, out and walk. Get up. Take little steps, man. Come. Watch out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Take steps. Get up. Get up. Take steps. Watch out. Get up. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Excuse me, my face. Excuse me, my face. I'm that one. Me, I go downstairs.